How to log into Mercury Credit Card account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now at the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Mercury Credit Card Login and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, mercurycards.com. Open it. You'll be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials. So go ahead and type in the email address, then type in the password. If you want to save your login info, you can find the option of Remember Me. If you have forgotten the username or password, you can click on these options to recover it. After you provide all the details, click on Login, and just for that, you will be logged into your account. If you haven't registered for your account yet, click on this option and go through the process. So this way, you can easily log into a Mercury Credit Card account online. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.